And I wait for a long time now, and I'm thinking about us. Cause you know we got something special, girl, and they can't do it like us now, nah. I've been watching you. Ain't no skips and no rewind.
Hello, hi, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Adjoa Slay. If you're new here, thanks for joining. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notification, and give this video a very big thumbs up because it means a lot to me. So today we are doing a headband tutorial, headband wig tutorial, and these are the things you'll be needing, including the headband we're going to be using. So yeah, let's get into it. So put it on my head, net cap on this big head. Her name is Stella. And I'm going to put on my headband. This is the only black headband I can get, so in case you can get something better than this, try to get it, because I didn't like this shiny on this thing. It was really pissing me off, but this is all I can get, so this is all I can use for now. Yes, so I'm going to attach the headband to the wig net. So to make it firm and steady, I'm using the pins to hold it down. So now it's time to sew it to make sure it's attached to the net. Auntie, make sure it's attached to the net, okay? Do that and your life is going to be safe as possible. So sewing on the headband to the net, like I said, watch me carefully and make sure you repeat these steps. You see how I'm sewing this headband wig? There's no way she's going to shift from this net. In fact, there's no bonnet way to shift from this net. Never ever, baby. She's stuck with the net forever. So I'm going to cut off the excess net in front. When you're doing this, be very careful because you might cut out the net at the back as well whilst cutting the front net. So make sure you do it steady and gentle, okay? So I'm going to cut out the headband from the back, and I'm going to attach this security. Yeah, the headband needs a security. Yes, so the security I could find was this. I don't know how they call this thing, but if you are a seamstress and you're watching this, I'm sure you know what this thing is called. But yeah, this is what I used. You can use anything else. You can use your brazier hook if that's what you can find. You know, you don't have to kill yourself. Yes, so do that if that's what you can find. So I'm using this kinky hair, this very adorable kinky hair. She's very popular. She usually comes with colors headband, colors scrunchies in the pack, so she's very popular. That is what I'm using to do. So I cut the length into two because this is an Afro wig and I don't need length. I need the hair to be short. So I'm going to put through the crochet pin into the net, as you can see me doing. That's why I had to zoom for you to see it well, because I cannot explain this process any further. Then you pull it through the loop. That's why I zoom in for you to see clear. I just make sure I zoom in so that you can see it well. For the second time, I put the hair through the loop. Thank you very much. It's a very simple process. Make sure you watch to understand so that you can replicate this headband wig if that is what you so desire to do for yourself, okay? As simple as that. So I'm going to continue attaching the hair to the net, pulling through the loops, and and finally I got to the top. I was almost done at this point. This headband wig did not take me up to an hour, and the pack of hair The pack of hair I only use half of the pack of hair. Like, this is the most affordable wig you can ever have. The most affordable, cheapest, easiest DIY you can ever do. Trust me. If you think this is not as easy as I'm saying, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section, because if this is not easy for you, then I don't know what else will be easy for you in this life. Sorry about that, but I just have to put that out there. So it's a very simple tutorial. So I keep pulling the hair through the loops, pulling the hair through the net till I'm done with the nets, so you can't see the net anymore. That's exactly what I did. Very simple. I'm sure a toddler can do this wig. Yes, I have a toddler and I'm sure she can do this wig. I'm very sure she can do this wig. I have a toddler, not my baby, she's my brother's baby, and I'm sure she can do this wig. I'm very sure, because it's very simple and sweet. She's going to watch this tutorial and she will tell me that, Auntie, I can do this. I know she can do it. So if she can do it and you can do it, what's up? So I'm going to cut out the excess. We are done. Voila, simple and short. Like, this is simple. If you can't do this, I don't know what else you can do. Like I said, this is very simple and short. Please make sure you do this for yourself, because you need this in your life. Days where you have messy hair day, bad hair days, this wig is going to save your life. And you don't have to attach glue to rip off your edges. It's a headband wig, and literally every day people keep asking me, is this your hair? Anytime I wear this wig, as in my hair is 3 times longer than this wig though, because I don't know why they keep asking me that question. So, but that's how natural it looks. So time for the transformation, baby. Time for the transformation. I had my cornrow done. I did this cornrow myself. It's not perfect, because we are not perfect here. We are human beings, and human beings are not perfect. Same way these cornrows are not perfect. Don't judge me. So I'm gonna put on some eco styling gel, to lay the edges, to lay them flat as possible. Don't laugh at my edges though. Don't laugh at my edges tutorial, because I know I don't know how to do edges. I know I'm not the best when it comes to edges. If you want an edges tutorial, please go somewhere else. Okay, this is not the right place for you to learn how to do edges, because I don't know how to do it. I'm still learning. I've been learning for the past 6 years and I still don't know how to do it. So this is the most I can do. I need to zoom down in for you to see the perfection, because I did it. So time to put on the bad boy, baby. Like I said earlier, the number of times people keep asking me, is this your natural hair? Anytime I wear this wig, amazes me, surprises me. And as I'm sitting here doing this voiceover, this is the same wig I'm wearing as I'm doing this voiceover. Can you imagine wearing the same wig doing this voiceover? And today I've gotten tons of questions. Is this your hair? Your hair is beautiful. Your hair looks so nice. I keep telling people my hair is 2 times longer than this wig. Stop comparing my hair to this wig. I don't blame them, because it looks so natural. It feel like I just pull my hair back with an headband. That's how it looks. Yes, I got a lot of compliments, and actually people actually ask me to do something for them. So this is a business venture. If you're learning this, somebody will ask you to do something for them, and you do it for them and you collect money. Yes, if they can't watch the tutorial and do it themselves, do it for them and collect money. So look how sweet I'm looking, guys. And if you have watched to this part and you're not subscribed to this channel, it's either you are a winch, either you don't want me to prosper, it's either you don't like me, you're just pretending to like me. Choose one, because I don't understand why you've watched this video up to this point. This sweet and simple tutorial that I've done for you with all my heart, and you refuse to subscribe to this channel. Like, auntie, they send you company, because I don't understand. Yes, I need to apply some gloss to make sure the lips are looking sweet and sexy, because it's all part of the video, baby. It's all part. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the end of the tutorial, but wait, I'm going to switch the style up, because I want you to know without the headband you can still wear this wig, as in you can pretend there's no headband in this wig, and you can wear it as an Afro wig without headband. Yes, you can do that as well. It's so simple. All you need to do is to push the headband out and you have an Afro wig. That is as simply as possible. I mean, isn't this genius? As in, you have it two in one wig. As in, watch me do it, just watch me do it. I'm gonna pull back the headband. I'm gonna fold the headband into the net. You see me folding it? Yes, this is art. This is an art. As in, voila, I have an Afro wig. Like, who will tell you this is not an Afro wig? Like, where? They're gonna know. Like, how would they know? How are they gonna know? This is no, and this is a headband wig. When you pull out the headband and make it an Afro wig, how? As in, you have two in one wig. This simple wig, affordable. As in, you cannot spend more than $2 on this wig. I promise you. In fact, the highest you can spend on this wig is $3. I'm talking about those who are out of this country, out of Ghana, and they are watching this video. But if you're in Ghana, I don't think you should spend more than 30 cedi on this wig. As in 30 cedi, this wig, you have an Afro wig of 30 cedi, my sister. And you are still not watching the ads on this video. You are still not subscribed to this channel. Kilo day Adeng Bonnie Bain. See, two in one wig for 30 cedi. Auntie, you need to do this. You need to do this for your life. As in, look at the way the cornrow is showing there. It even adds some finesse to the wig. As in, where the cornrow is showing, you see the finesse in the wig. As in, I look like those girls that play tennis ball. Like, they usually wear something like this. The headband they put on their head, as in an Afro girl with headband on her head, playing tennis ball. As in, look how sexy I look. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you give this video a very big thumbs up, because this video deserves it. Please guys, make sure we get up to 1k thumbs up, as in 1000 likes for this video, because this video deserves more than that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.